Hello! Welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So, for water sign to ha. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Take only what resonates, guys. Unfortunately, hindi ko talaga makuha lahat ng energy ng water sign. Meron tayong water sign Philippines. Yun yung pinaka-main channel ng water sign. So, you might want to check it out. Reading tayo, guys. Love reading. Pa-comment nyo sa bakit po heart lang, smileys. Malaking bagay yun sa akin. Bali nagpapakita siya ng malaking suporta, pagmamahal, ganyan. Tsaka sana mag-comment kayo kasi naaaliw po ako mag-reading pag mga may nagko-comment. Simulan na po natin. Shuffle ko lang to. Sana makuha ko yung energy mo. Pag hindi, ibigay mo sa iba yung reading kasi maaaring next time makuha ko naman yun sa'yo. Okay? So, for water sign. Ano meron sa mga water sign? Okay. Main energy mo. Okay. 8 of Wands at saka 2 of Swords. Okay. So, yung iba sa inyo pwedeng sorry about that. Nadali ng tuhod ko yung yung pinaka-table. Anyway. 8 of Wands at saka 2 of Swords. Okay. Actually, itong energy na ito, yung bottom of the deck is 8 of Swords, oh. Might be there's some kind of like pwedeng desisyon na kailangan gawain or dapat gawain with regard sa maybe family, pero nakita natin importante ito sa buhay mo eh. Okay, so pwedeng pamilya or parang tinuring mo ng pamilya or maybe yung iba pwedeng career din. Pero nakita tayo dito, did I say 8 of Swords? Yung bottom of the deck. Anyway, ang nakita ko kasing card kanina is 8 of Swords. So, babasahin ko yon yung 8 of Swords. Pero, babasahin ko rin itong pinaka kinalabasan talaga niya, which is yung pa-second look ko, nakita ko it's 10 of Swords pala. Hindi siya 8 of Swords. Pero, babasahin ko yung 8 of Swords kasi yun yung nagpakita sa akin. Now, anyway, nandito si 10 of Swords, tapos followed by the Ace of Pentacles, tapos sumunod is the Death card. Okay, the Death card is about ending at saka yung 10 of Swords. And kung ano man yung nag-end dito, maybe may kinalaman nito sa 8 of Wands, which is yun nga, may kinalaman sa family and etc. And yung iba sa inyo, or yun nga, family or career. Pero itong ending na ito is decision mo. Okay? The 2 of Swords. Ikaw ito na nag-decide. Maybe ikaw ito na nakaisip na kaya mo gagawin itong ending na ito is it's for the better eh. Hindi ka naman basta-basta magdidesisyon ng something na wala lang, 'di ba? May pinaghuhugutan to. So pwedeng yung iba nagtiis ka din bago mo i-end yung bagay na ito regarding doon, career or family related. So ikaw bahala maglagay ng sarili mo sa sitwasyon. Pero nakikita natin na nandun na yung pagkagusto mo talaga na dito sa new beginning na to with the Ace of Pentacles at saka with the Fool. Ayan, nandun na yung gusto mo tong i-push. And might be bago ka bumitaw, nag-suffer ka muna. Okay? Parang naging mahirap para sa'yo muna yung sitwasyon. Nagtiis yung iba. Ayan. So anyway, I'm hearing Libra. So, sino tong person na kakonect mo? 9 of Swords. Okay, 9 of Swords. Problemado tong taong to ha. Stress siya. 5 of Pentacles. Pwedeng may kinalaman sa pera. Or maybe with the world, I don't know, maybe may pagkakalayo sa inyo nito person na to. Like, pwedeng hindi mo alam yung pinagdadaanan niya, yung lungkot na nararamdaman niya ngayon, yung sakit na nararamdaman niya. Pero, with the Magician, bottom of the deck, it feels like itong person na ito is hindi siya nagiging honest sa'yo, hindi siya nagiging okay sa'yo, or feeling niya I want to know more. Sukuha pa tayo ng message ko. Ba't hindi siya nagiging honest sa'yo? I mean, pwedeng hindi siya nagiging honest sa'yo sa emotions niya, sa nararamdaman niya. This person loves you. Mahal ka niya. The Ace of Cups. Mahal ka ng taon to. Kaya lang with the Hermit, this is Virgo energy. So, talagang parang tagong-tago yung emotion niya na yun. With the Ten of Pentacles, like, what's with the Ten of Pentacles? The Judgment. Okay, the Judgment. And the Seven of Swords, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Bottom of the deck is the Knight of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Well, I feel like na-realize niya na ikaw pala yung gusto niyang ma-reach. Or like, may mga bagay siyang hinanap na hindi niya akalaing sa'yo niya lang din pala makikita. Like, pwedeng hinanap niya sa iba, pero sa'yo niya na rin nakita. Masasabi niyang ikaw pala talaga yung hinahanap ko. Parang ganun. Guys, I don't know about this person, pero, there's this feeling na pwedeng meron siyang napalagpas na opportunity sa inyong dalawa. Tapos sising-sisi siya dun sa oportunidad na yon. Pwedeng yung iba may kinalaman sa money, partnership sa money or what. Like pwedeng in the past nagkaroon na ng partnership or there's this possibility na nagkaroon na ng involvement na pera sa inyo tapos naging maganda na yon kaya lang parang pinalagpas nitong person na to. Ngayon nagsisisi siya. In the future, you do have the Emperor. You're building your own empire. Two of Pentacles, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. The Hanged Man. Well, yung iba sa inyo with the Hanged Man, gusto ko yung energy ng Hanged Man dito kasi it feels like parang you are being one with the nature. So, pwedeng mas magiging connected ka sa nature in the near future or sabihin na natin, yung iba hindi nature but your purpose. Okay, pwedeng mas tinanggap mo yung purpose mo and or mas naging proud ka sa like who you are as a person and nakikita natin yung pagiging unique mo as a person and with the Emperor nakikita natin yung like nagsha-shine ka because of that kasi ang galing mo and might be with the Two of Pentacles. I mean, pwedeng mas natuto kang i-balance yung life mo so I don't know. Itong new beginning na ito with the Ace of Swords and the Fool, nakikita natin magiging maganda yung kakalabasan sa'yo. Well, kung sino man itong taong nalulungkot dito, I feel like meron siyang dapat i-end at meron talaga siyang ending na mararanasan sa buhay niya. The Seven of Coins is here. Might be may kinalaman ito sa something na hindi na nag-grow para sa kanya. And the Death card, this is an ending card. So, ayun, Scorpio energy. Maybe nakita tayo na yung ending ha, something to do with pag-aaway, magulo, 5 of Wands. And parang ayaw niya nito eh. Ayaw niya nito. The Two of Wands is here, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So, nakakita tayo dito ng parang plano na makipag-connect, mag-message sa'yo itong person ito regarding sa ending na ito sa buhay niya. Pero, like, nagsasuffer na kasi siya ngayon. Thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.